This is the most delicious stuffed chicken I've ever eaten. To start, take 2 large, fresh chicken breasts. With a sharp knife, cut each one in half without fully separating it, creating a kind of pocket. After opening the chicken, cover the pieces with plastic wrap and gently pound them with a meat mallet. Now it's time to season. Sprinkle a bit of salt all over the chicken. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe at home. We'll also season with a bit of paprika. This is the secret for that smoky taste. Black pepper to taste, and oregano. The trick here is to spread the seasoning well to ensure flavor in every bite. Let's move on to the filling. Cut 150 grams of mozzarella cheese into generous strips. Don't leave before the end. The presentation of this recipe will surprise you. Place 2 strips inside each chicken breast, positioning them well so they melt perfectly and make the filling irresistible. Next, slice a ripe tomato into thin strips or rounds. Don't forget to rate the recipe from 0 to 10. It helps me bring more recipes to you. Add a few slices inside each chicken breast along with the cheese. After stuffing, carefully close the chicken breasts. For a more beautiful finish, use a knife to make light cuts on the top of each chicken piece. Now, prepare a baking dish by adding a drizzle of olive oil at the bottom and spreading it with a brush or paper towel. This will keep the chicken from sticking and add an extra layer of flavor to the dish. Place the chicken breasts in the dish and finish seasoning. Add another teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and drizzle generously with olive oil. Spread the seasoning well over the chicken, then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 50 minutes. Once done, remove the chicken breasts from the oven and transfer them to a plate. You'll see how the cheese melted perfectly, the tomatoes softened beautifully, and the chicken is golden on the outside while incredibly juicy on the inside. It's a burst of flavors. Did you like this amazing recipe? Let me know in the comments where you're watching from and how your dish turned out. I want to know if you also think this is the most delicious stuffed chicken you've ever tried. If you know someone who loves a good stuffed chicken, share this video and make a difference in someone else's kitchen too. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. See you in the next video with more delicious ideas. Bon appétit!